Algebraic fractions. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What are algebraic fractions? Where do they differ from numerical fractions? 2. What are disallowed values? Why must we consider them when dealing with algebraic fractions? 3. How to simplify algebraic fractions? 4. How do the special algebraic identities help in simplifying algebraic fractions? 5. How to add or subtract algebraic fractions with the same or different denominator. 6. How to multiply and divide algebraic fractions. 7. How to split an algebraic fraction into two other algebraic fractions. 8. How to raise algebraic fractions in a positive or negative power. Introduction. This tutorial is about algebraic fractions, the other form of fractions that involves letters, variables. We provide an extended approach on how to deal with such fractions, from simplification to operations including addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and raise in power are explained in detail. Moreover, you will learn how to split an algebraic fraction into components. All situations discussed in this tutorial are illustrated with detailed examples. That is all for introduction to algebraic fractions. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 6.5.1. What are algebraic fractions? Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.